How would you like to have beautiful designer nails like these without having to go to the salon and pay a fortune? Well, now you can get professional salon results right at home in just minutes with Salon Express, the easy-to-use, do-it-yourself designer nail kit that gives you beautiful salon results like this anytime you want with any nail polish you have.
With Salon Express, you will have nails that look like this in seconds.
Love it.
Pick your color. Put it right on the image that you want. Take your scraper and slide it right off. Easy. Take your stamper, put it on.
Oh my God, I love it.
Is that great?
So easy.
So now I can do it myself, and you know what? People are going to be commenting on it all night when I'm out.
Here it comes.
Voila.
Yeah! All right, if you can do it, I can do it.
So easy.
It is easy, right? I mean, simple, easy, 1, 2, 3.
Don't you always want your nails to match your outfit? Yes. I love that.
With Salon Express, you can create amazing nails anywhere, and it's perfect for pedicures. Designing with a brush is time-consuming. Press-on designs fall off, and salons are inconvenient and expensive. But Salon Express is fun and easy. Just brush your polish onto the image disc, scrape off the excess, transfer the design onto the stamp, and roll it onto your nail. With Salon Express, your nails always